pagluto na yung kanin, pwede mo na akong ulamin.
So what's up guys, manunood kami ngayon finals basketball, yellow tsaka blue. On the way na kami.
She works the night.
Hello lang, dito po kami ngayon sa
From my first she just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you what I might love. Nobody matters like you. Your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe.
So yan pa, tapos na po kami kumain ng mga rapahan. Balik na po kami sa school. Yun guys, papunta na po kami sa awarding ngayon.
You rock a bye, baby, don't you cry.
Laban nyo na. Ay,
Aviation night tomorrow, no? But I would like to congratulate each and every
kain na po kami ngayon. Bayang ko 11 eh.
Kasi umuwi. Nasa bahay na nga, pinapauwi mo pa. Doon na kasi sa base! Base na! Sa base na kasi kayo! Wala na, bye! Goodbye! Goodbye!
of the Student Council.
And I am Mike Elgin G. Calab, your Secretary of Aviation Student Council.
Aviation night tomorrow, no? But I would like to congratulate each and every
And once again, my name is Edith.
Okay, I think that's all for her short and sweet answer. It's giving count. Siya yun, di ba? Sa kanya, di ba, yung count?